Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting showdown for you. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni versus the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. Which one will come out on top? Let's find out in our ultimate robot vacuum face-off. First up, let's take a look at our contenders. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni is designed to make cleaning a breeze with its advanced features and sleek design. Meanwhile, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is touted for its powerful suction and smart mapping technology. Both vacuums come equipped with some impressive tech, but a few key differences might help you decide which one fits your lifestyle best. Starting off with design, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni sports a modern, compact look, which is perfect for fitting into tight spaces. It also has an automatic dust collection feature, which means less manual emptying for you. On the other hand, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra has a bulkier footprint but offers a larger dustbin, which can be a plus for bigger homes. Its sleek and robust build also conveys durability. Let's talk performance. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni promises up to 2,000 pascals of suction power, which can handle pet hair and fine dust quite efficiently. Meanwhile, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra ups the ante, boasting a staggering 5,000 pascals of suction power. With its advanced carpet detection technology, it ramps up suction when it senses thicker carpets. This means deeper clean, especially if you've got furry friends at home. Now, on to the smart features. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni comes with great app integration, allowing for zone cleaning and scheduling. You can even set no-go zones for sensitive areas. Similarly, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra offers detailed mapping and customization options. Its mop feature really stands out, as it can not only vacuum but also mop your floors to provide that extra level of cleanliness. In terms of battery life, both vacuums have excellent runtimes. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni boasts up to 150 minutes of cleaning on a single charge, while the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra offers around 180 minutes. So if you have a larger house, the Roborock might be your best bet. Let's talk prices. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni is typically priced more affordably at around $600, while the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra comes in at about $1,000. So, it's essential to weigh your budget against the features each model offers. So, which robot vacuum is right for you? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done without tons of bells and whistles, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni could be your best choice. However, if you desire superior cleaning power, advanced mopping capabilities, and are willing to spend a bit more, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is worth every penny. Thanks for joining us on this ultimate face-off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.